Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome. I'm glad you made it. Actually, lots of you made it. I was very scared this morning, but it's great to see you in such large numbers. So, welcome to the ESO workshop. I will be very brief, and then we will have still two science talks today before we move to have some welcome drinks and some introduction activities. So, first of all, this is an ESO conference, so we are using ESO Code of Conduct. Actually, you all sign it when you registered, just so you know. In case you are witnessing any problems or somebody makes you uncomfortable or you just want to comment, we have dedicated Code of Conduct person. You can see their names here. I will share the slides in Slack. And we all have a green sort of square on our badge, so that's how you can identify us. If you do not feel comfortable talking to anybody, we also created anonymous reporting form. Here is a QR code, and I will also share a link via Slack. So that means that if you want to share some concerns with us, you can use that, and nobody will ever know who complained. Now, to other basic rules. So please do not bring coffees or food to the planetarium. They have really nice seats, and they provided this beautiful space to us for free. So we try to obey their rules. Though what is allowed, you can bring a bottle of water if you can close it. So you are not thirsty. Coffee breaks and lunches will be directly here. You already saw where. The food should be marked. We will have vegan, vegetarian, and meat options. If you noted allergies, we took it into account and it should be marked. In case you have doubts, please come to us and we will sort it out. Conference dinner will be on Thursday, and we will share all the relevant information during following days. It will be closer to the city center, and it will be in the wine cellar, because this and also the Vienna is actually wine region when it's not being flooded. Here is Wi-Fi that you can use. It should be fast. So in case you need to do some work calls, it should work just fine. There is also a password. It has been already shared on Slack, but I will also share these slides so you know where to find it. In case you need to charge your laptop, there are chargers under the seats, but not under each seat. So you need to search. I think it's every fourth, fifth seat. So you need to just move around a little bit. Reminder, please upload your presentation before your talk. We have USB sticks. We also provided a link. I will still share more information through the Slack again, so you can easily find it, because all the presentations are being shared from the main computer. And the last reminder that I forgot to put here, all the presentations are being recorded, actually in a very high quality. So you will be recorded. Here is the camera, and the screen is actually recorded separately, and then we will upload it to YouTube. So if you haven't done it yet, please sign the speakers form that gives us a permission to do so. And if you would like to have the raw files to put it on your web page or just have it, let us know, because we can give it to you directly here. Yeah, conference spirit. Since you already came here, I think you have a pretty high spirit. But just a reminder, we are here to learn, interact, collaborate. I think we came here as a great group of students, postdoc, and staff, which I think is a great combination. So take advantage of that and be inclusive. We will have lots of space for discussions, because we have a dedicated discussion session each of the following days. And the main motto is that whoever is in your group is the right person to discuss with. So maybe you have somebody who published some paper and you really want to talk to them, then use the coffee break or reach out to them. But when we have discussion group, just focus on the people who are there, and you will see that it's going to go great. And last, thank you all for coming. Don't forget to have fun. And I also wanted to share that nothing would be possible without amazing sock and a lock. So thank you. Do you have some questions regarding organization, or you had some issues, something is unclear? The lights are really bright, so I don't really see. We will need somebody to monitor questions during the talks. If not, excellent. I'm very happy everything's clear, and we can move to the first science presentation. Now I will need to multitask a little bit. I think the next speaker is Michal Zajacek, here from the Masaryk University, and he has an invited contribution on the QWIC mission.